get your mo.
Welcome everybody to another P&D Found Treasures video. Today we got a unboxing.
Yep. And this time it's going to be like Christmas because I've been on a little mini shopping spree on highbid.com and I do not remember what auction this came from, so I have no idea what's in this box. I'll know as soon as I open it. I'm pretty sure I'll remember, but honestly, I forgot. So let's do this. Let's see what we got. Hopefully it's something good. Let's cut away from the sausage. It says fragile on here, or fragile, depending on. There we go. Alright guys, let's find out. I see a lot of bubble wrap. I know one of the auction companies, I was on the phone with them the other day, and they said that because I bought like 12 lots,
Jeez.
that I have like 3 or 4 boxes coming. Okay, so there's another box in here that you guys can't really. Well, maybe you can see it. I guess you kind of can. Okay, let's see what we got.
Yeah, that's looking pretty good.
It's wedged in there pretty well. Oh. Okay, now I remember what auction this is. Okay.
Alright guys, here we go. Right here. Cut this one again.
Alright, now I remember.
Can you see guys?
What this auction was. I was actually surprised that I won all of this stuff.
It is Matchbox.
A lot of it's Matchbox. This is an Ertl. It's a 1930 Chevy truck. I think Ertl, I think I'm pronouncing that right, ERTL, is actually one of the best brands of die-cast collectible vehicles. So we'll have to check that one out, see what it's worth.
Matchbox. You guys can't see that.
There's a ton of Matchbox, actually.
Ton of Matchbox. Some are duplicates.
Oh, there's
there's triplets.
There's a lot that are duplicates.
Let's see, guys. These are all 3 or 4, I should say. 5.
Yeah,
all these are the same.
I have another one in my hand. But you just do one listing, they're all listed. You have nothing to worry about.
Yeah.
I think these go for about 5 or 6 a piece. I think. Let me see.
Got the Jeep.
There's a few different Jeeps because we got this one. It's a military Jeep. So basically, what I think we're gonna have to do, because there's a ton of Matchbox cars in here, as I get comfortable.
Yeah, you're gonna have to
go
through them all
individually.
Maybe there's a set in here and you can put a set together.
Maybe. Hey, here's
you can
another
look for
one of
the
these Thunders. I'm gonna look it up. Wait, is that what I got in my hand? It is what I got.
Yeah.
God, I'm an idiot. So yeah, we're gonna look. I'm gonna look it up right now, actually, before we go any further.
There's a race cars. You probably could put these two together.
Maybe.
See better.
See, that's a good idea. Start thinking about your bundling.
And these are off-road too.
What else did I win? Oh, crap. See, I don't remember.
Get those out of the.
Like, oops, pops and bubbles. Exactly what I bid on this auction.
Let's see, more Thunder.
Yep.
More Thunder.
I'm gonna look it up right now. See what we get.
More Thunder.
Let's see.
You might have to give away those for $2.
Alright. I don't actually see any of the Thunder selling. Let me see. But honestly, from what I could see here, let's see what we got.
Dang, we have another off-road car, guys. This one's pretty cool. It's a red one. There's another one over there too. So I must be part of the series. It's the Baja.
Oh, dang.
This is the Baja series, so.
Okay, so from what I can tell, just from the prices that I'm looking at on here for these, I'm looking at about $3 to $5 a piece for these, and we have like 7 or 8 of them, so that's like $35-40 right there. Oh, that's pretty sick, dude. That's a trophy truck.
Yeah.
Right? Baja Bullet Desert and Endurance. Let's see if the Baja ones are worth any more.
Here's another Baja one. Trophy trucks.
Is it the same exact? Oh no, it's a
No, it's
different,
different
one. See? So we can bundle these.
Yeah.
Comes up with the same exact listing. So I mean, each one of these, like, we can list for about $5 a piece. There's some sets of like the Baja ones, because that's another Baja, you can tell.
No, it's not. It's a 2016.
It looked like it's a dune buggy. You
Dune
can still
buggy.
throw that in with the Baja stuff. And you could probably do $15 to $20 on a lot.
Phil's got more on his side.
I do. I have a ton over here. Check out this little guy. It looks like it's a Yamaha Rhino.
We got 2 of those.
Another one
3 of
goes
those.
in off-road.
Yeah.
Here is an old military jungle crawler. We can put the military stuff together. We got options here. We got options. Options, I tell you. Options. Look at all these military Jeeps. We got Jeeps.
Yep. Military
Jeeps.
Jeeps. Volkswagen Jeeps. You can put the
Same ones?
Volkswagen. Nah.
Oh.
The top one
That
is.
one's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do bundles. I don't mind doing bundles. And if you guys like what you see, hit us up at PD Found Treasures on Yahoo. Look, we can do several sets like that. Look.
Yep.
More.
More.
Okay, so the crazy part of all of this, guys,
Groundbreaker.
I'm going to tell you what I paid for all of these. From what I can remember, anyway. Look, check that one out. Throw that in, you get 3-car lot. Look, there's a couple of them.
Yep.
Oh. Is that what I think that is?
Dang.
Hey, how many of you guys remember running out trying to stop this guy?
Yeah. And here's the Volkswagen again. All 4 of them the same.
We got more of these military, so we're going to do some military lots. Look, I got a dump truck. And my favorite thing, the thing I love about these, they're all brand new in the package. They're mint.
Some military ones.
Look at, you can put that one with the dump truck. It's like a little, call it a Quarry King. I don't know if it's like a, but yeah, look at all these back here.
What the heck is this?
They're in there. Oh,
This is a big auto parts
I forgot about
die cast metal.
Yeah,
It's a coin bank.
yep. I've been buying a lot of coin banks lately.
Pretty cool. See you guys?
Look at this one.
This is pretty clean. This
I'm gonna open this one real quick. Oh,
Looks
they're
like
brand
they've
new.
looks like
Look
somebody
at that.
took them
It's
out.
brand new. This one's brand new and it's plastic.
Yeah.
Look at. That's a tow truck. It's an old 1929 tow truck. People love these things. Are super collectible.
Yep. This one's
So-
brand new too. Look, see.
Like I was hinting at earlier before we jumped into the coin banks real quick. I paid $8.50 per lot for these Matchbox cars. So I paid about $17 for all of these Matchbox cars. There's profit to be made, without a doubt.
And that's one thing we told you too, guys, is when you get stuff like this, make sure you open it to look at it. Make sure it's brand new if you're going to put brand new in your listing, because if you don't and you send it to the buyer and he opens it and there's something broken on it or something's wrong with it, you're going to have to send him back and give him back his money. So make sure you just check them
That one
out.
out, guys. And it's got like a country store on it. I want to save these for last. Check 'em
Okay.
out.
I see him.
I'll take you back.
This is a Texaco 1938.
Again, that's if you watch one of the other videos where I bought a bunch of Texaco airplane coin banks, Texaco, anything that's oil related, it's gonna be collectible.
Yeah.
So that one's oil related. This one is Central Tractor Company, and
This
that's
one's
still
brand
brand
new,
new too. Has the original sticker on it, and again, it's a ERTL, the Ertl. And then the last one is, that's why this box was so heavy. These coin banks are insanely heavy. This one's another CarQuest Auto Parts.
Just take this now.
Yeah.
You showed him this one?
I mean, you can show them again.
And that one, the bottom one?
Yep. I just kind of slid them back in there. Okay. So I saw these. I don't remember what I paid for the lot of these. I think it was only like $5. But I had to have them when I seen them just because of the age. And then some of these are still
Cool.
in the
play
original
now.
box. And look at how good a shape they're in, dude. I was looking these up online. Now that I remember, everything's coming back to me.
They're official
They're literally
baseball
balls.
Wilson.
Yeah, and they came in their original boxes, except for this one. Paid $5.50 for all 4 of them. Pretty sure it was $5.50. They're official regulation balls. I'm thinking these are from the 70s just by the look on the box. It looks like a 70s box, doesn't it?
What do you call it? Man, guys, if you see the thread on these.
Yeah, I'm going to try to get up close so you guys can check out the stitching on these balls. Check that out. Take you back, huh? Show them to my dad. This will bring him back. I looked these up and I seen a couple of them going for almost $20 a ball. So honestly, I'll probably ask about maybe 10 to 15 a ball, or maybe I'll just lot them all up.
Yeah, I think lot them up.
Yeah, I think that's probably what we're gonna do. But I just thought that they were really cool. They were fairly cheap, and like I've said previously in these videos, if you are gonna buy off of highbid.com, try to buy a lot of stuff, like, because they only generally will ship a lot of smaller items, but they're going to charge you a little bit for shipping, so it's better to get the best bang for your buck and buy a large amount of little things. That way you get your money's worth on your shipping. Yeah. And that's exactly what I did, and I mean, I'm happy. I just want to open these and play like a little kid. I got some dirt out in my front yard. I can...
So, yes.
And like I said, these things are all brand new mint, so I'm super excited, guys.
Yep.
This stuff is, we should do really good on it. Because this is going to be a P&D Found Treasures thing. That's going to do it for us today, guys.
Yep.
Thank you guys so much for taking the time out to check out this video. Once again, if you see anything in this that you're interested in, you want to make us an offer, hit us up at pdfoundtreasures@yahoo.com. Hit us up on Instagram at pdfoundtreasures. Hit us up on Twitter.
Leave a message down below.
Leave a comment down below. I'll even put our social media contacts and everything down below in the description. Just hit us up, let us know. And if you could do us a really, really big favor, we're trying to grow this channel, so if you could just like, comment, and subscribe, we would really, really appreciate that. Thank you guys, and we'll see you guys later.